Hi Money and Market fam, welcome to the channel. The last decade was all about big tech, AI, and digital commerce. But the next 10 years will bring even bigger changes. New industries are emerging today that will shape the economy tomorrow. If you know where to look, you can stay ahead of the game. In this video, we'll break down 15 industries experts predict will dominate the stock market in the coming decade. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. Markets can be unpredictable. But by understanding trends, we can make smarter decisions. 1. Biotech and healthcare. The global biotech market is set to reach $3.9 trillion by 2030. Personalized medicine is shifting healthcare from a one-size-fits-all model to custom treatments based on DNA. AI is speeding up drug development, reducing costs and time. Companies like In Silico Medicine and Benevolent AI are leading the way. Anti-aging research is also gaining traction, with billionaires backing firms like Altos Labs and Calico. 2. Robotics and automation. Automation is replacing human labor at an increasing rate. Robots are now in warehouses, customer service, fast food kitchens, and even surgery. The market for industrial robots has hit a record $16.5 billion, with companies like NVIDIA leading the AI-driven robotics space. By 2050, millions of AI-powered robots will be transforming industries worldwide. Supply chain and logistics. The pandemic exposed how fragile supply chains can be. AI-powered logistics can now predict demand, optimize deliveries, and prevent disruptions. Decentralized manufacturing and hyper-efficient warehouses will make supply chains faster and more reliable. Investing in this sector is like buying oil stocks before the Industrial Revolution. AI infrastructure, often referred to as the shovels of AI. AI is booming, but the real profits lie in the infrastructure behind it: chips, cloud computing, and data centers. Companies like NVIDIA, AMD, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are crucial players. Without them, AI cannot scale. Cybersecurity. With more AI and automation comes more cyber threats. Cybercrime is projected to cost $10.5 trillion per year by 2025. AI-driven security platforms and decentralized encryption will be essential to prevent breaches. Companies in this space will be in high demand. Copper is essential for wiring, electronics, and renewable energy. Demand is rising, but supply isn't keeping up, creating an investment opportunity. Mining companies like BHP are scaling up production to meet the growing need. The global renewable energy market is expected to grow from $309 billion in 2024 to $488 billion by 2029. Government policies and lower costs are making solar, wind, and hydro more attractive investments. By 2030, 1 in 6 people will be over 60, driving demand for elder care services, assisted living, and home health care. The healthcare cloud computing market alone is expected to exceed $210 billion by 2033. Cloud computing. Data is the new gold, and cloud computing is the vault. The global cloud market is expected to reach $2 trillion by 2030. AI, automation, and cybersecurity all rely on cloud services, making this sector critical for future growth. Data center infrastructure. Behind every cloud service is a data center. As demand for cloud storage grows, so does the need for better infrastructure. Investing in data center companies could be a smart move as digital storage needs explode. Pet care industry. Pets are now considered family, leading to a surge in premium pet products and services. The pet care market is projected to grow from $320 billion in 2024 to nearly $600 billion by 2033. High-end food, wellness products, and smart pet tech are booming. Travel and tourism, huh? After the pandemic, travel bounced back stronger than ever. The industry is valued at $2 trillion in 2024 and is expected to grow at 9.2% annually. Luxury getaways, adventure tourism, and experience-based travel are really driving demand. Industrial real estate, now that's interesting. Massive warehouses, data centers, and logistics hubs are the backbone of e-commerce and AI. The industrial real estate market is set to grow from $100 billion in 2024 to $140 billion by 2029. Companies providing these spaces will be in high demand. Electric transportation is booming. The global e-bike market, worth $48 billion in 2024, is expected to reach $70 billion by 2030. Harley-Davidson, Rad Power, and Van Moof are leading the way as cities push for greener transport options. Quantum computing could revolutionize industries by solving problems traditional computers cannot. It could optimize logistics, predict stock markets, and accelerate medical discoveries. While still in early development, companies like IBM, Google, and Rigetti Computing are heavily investing in this technology. These 15 industries are poised for massive growth over the next decade. While nothing is certain, staying informed about these trends can help you make smarter investment decisions. What industry are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of investing.